Hey there, future facilitators. So let me ask you a couple of questions. How many of you want to lead workshops that have a lasting impact? And how many of you are ready to engage your participants like never before? Well, if the answer is yes for both questions, well, you're in the right place. Well, my name is Jack, and today what I'm going to do is to talk about how to become a great facilitator with great facilitation techniques. And thank you for the time to join me in this video. Your presence here shows your commitment to improving your skills. So give yourself a big round of applause, okay? So first, let's talk about creating an engaging environment. This means setting up the room in a way that promotes interaction and making sure everything and everyone feels comfortable. An engaging environment encourages participations and helps everyone feel of ease. Okay, so secondly, you may consider using active listening skills. Show your participants that you value their input by listening attentively and responding thoroughly. And when participants feel heard, they are more likely to engage deeply and share valuable insights. Well, third, encourage participation. Well, isn't it true? Use techniques like small group discussions and interactive activities to get everyone involved. Participation leads to a richer discussions and more comprehensive learning experiences. How many of you agree? Okay. So fourth, manage time effectively. Keep the workshop on track by sticking to the agenda and ensuring the discussions do not run over time. Effective time management keeps the workshop focused and ensures that all topics are covered. Finally, provide clear instructions. Well, make sure your participants understand what's expected of them and how to complete activities. Okay, so instruction that is clear would help the participants prevent confusion and keep the workshop running smoothly. Okay, so let's recap. To create an engaging environment, use active listening, encourage participation, manage the time effectively, and provide clear instructions are key. By incorporating these techniques, you become a great facilitator and transform lives in your workshops. How many of you would love that? So if you find this video helpful, well, I would love you to have subscribe to my channel, and for more tips on how to become an effective workshop facilitator. Well, if you've got any questions or any thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I love to hearing from you. Okay, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.